In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a textured background into your Photoshop file. So basically what you want to do is get a texture from Google. You can go anywhere and just type in dark floor texture, grass texture, anything you really want. It'll give you a texture, because if not, then you're just going to have these white backgrounds, and then you can just have random backgrounds filled with different colors in there. And sure, it looks okay, and but it just doesn't make for a good photo, and it's not really interesting. So I went ahead and I went and grabbed a grass texture on this Photoshop file, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to position this behind the car and behind this wooden floor texture that I got. And that's really basically it as far as adding a different dynamic kind of texture to your photo. You can really get any kind of photo that you want, and it can add any kind of texture that you want. I also have another one here that's just a white background. Now even this is more interesting than just a regular white background, that you can just use, a different layer with the color and all that stuff. Even this has a little bit more dynamic look to it, and this is something that would make a picture more interesting. And so I have the grass here with the wood with the car, so it looks pretty good. You can go ahead and adjust colors and lightings and all that stuff, but for a simple way to do it, this is how you would go about doing it. So I hope you guys like and subscribe and follow along for some more Photoshop tips. Hope it helps.